Assalamu alaikum, my dear free listener. This is Mohd Prantole. I'm an English learner. Today, I would like to share with you very special thing for every English learners. What is that? That is environment important to learn spoken English? As a learner, I know very well why is it important or not. So let's go to discuss about that. To be honest, is environment very crucial for every English learners who would like to improve his English pronunciation, because English is a language, and to learn language you will have to practice a lot every day, every moment, every time. Whatever are you doing, it's not a big deal, but you will have to keep consistency every moment. So if you live a countryside area and a urban side area with your family persons, you can feel shy. For this reason, you can't practice in English. This is our Bengali learners' main issue. But I wanna say you, if you make environment from yourself beside your living area, it will be beneficial to enhance your English pronunciation. Wherever are living, it's not a big deal. Such as me, though I'm living in a countryside area, although I'm still practicing in English to improve my English pronunciation, because it has been made habit by me, and I'm hungry to learn spoken English. For this reason, I can practice in English in my village area. As you can see, at this moment I am staying in the field, and nobody is here close to me, because also when the people stay beside me, in front of me, that time I feel little bit nervous, little bit shy. For this reason, when I come to this type of place, I make video to improve my English pronunciation. And when I live in my room, also that time I practice in English from myself alone. Nobody see me what am I doing, because I feel shy. Also, if you want, you can make environment from yourself beside your living area. If you want, would you like to be a fluent English speaker? It will be possible. But if you don't want, if you think I will make video tomorrow, I will practice tomorrow, the day before tomorrow, it won't be crucial, it won't be helpful for you as an English learner. But if you think, wherever am I staying at this moment, I must need to practice in English, you can practice that moment. So I wanna say you, lastly, is environment really necessary for all English learners? But you no need to go to abroad where live native English speakers. You can practice in English from yourself where are you living. If you live with your parents, if you live with your cousins, blessed person, it must be possible if you want, and if you keep consistency. Or must remember one thing, never ever give up, must practice every day. Mercy, pray for me.